Hey everybody, how's it going? Back again with another Mustang. This is a real special car. It's a 1968 Shelby GT500KR, factory Wimbledon white with air. And this car is super close to the finish line. All the hard part, in my opinion, has been done. The bottom is completely finished to close to concourse style specs. Engine's done, trans is done, rear ends is done, and it's 100% numbers matching. Correct rear end, original transmission, original engine with the VIN on the back, carburetor, smog, all original, redone. The car really just needs paint and the interior done. I have tons of new parts, some NOS stuff in boxes. It had a full quarter put on this side. They did a great job. Look at the gaps. Really good job on that. It still needs a little bit of finished body work there on the top. Here's your VIN. I'm gonna do a separate video of the bottom. I'll put it on the rack. It's got all original fiberglass, nose, hood, deck lid, side scoops. And there is your 428 Cobra Jet. Completely rebuilt. The date code is 8D13 on the block. The VIN is on the driver's side head. Got the original Shelby tag. I drilled one rivet out to expose the VIN. It's common for the R to be out. You can do your research on that. There's a lot of videos about it. It's got the original horsehair radiator, fan shroud, smog equipment. It does have the original carburetor. It's been redone. As you can see though, I mean, these aprons, beautiful tops of the aprons. There's your original buck tag, air equipment. There's your ram air system under the hood. I do have the seal. I have the seal for the air cleaner. It's included. New voltage regulator, power steering, power disc brakes. Car also has the original door tag. Like I said, the interior still needs, I have brand new door panels, new carpet. I have a new cover for the top of the console. I have all the seat belts. Shoulder harnesses are not hooked up, but I do have them. There's retractors, roll bars, fold down rear seat. Floor pans are in excellent condition. Just had the tilt away steering. So all the vacuum stuff is under there still. Disc brakes. It's the original Shelby Cobra steering wheel. Original 140 mile/hour speedometer. 8K tack with the red line, original Philco radio. All your air vents are here. The dash pad's in excellent shape. Headliner's in great shape. All your Shelby stickers are still on. So without further ado, let's start it up. Fully rebuilt. A little bit bigger cam was installed. It's very healthy. Doors shut great. It's not off yet. Alright everybody, I'm back. Stitch this back to the end of the video. Show you the bottom here. It's had all the leaf springs all redone. Original leaf springs with the numbers. Beautiful red oxide floors. Axles the correct color. Brakes and everything's already been redone. Exhaust is new. It just needs the tips. So you got beautiful frame rails. Still need to hook the sending unit wire up inside the trunk. It's got Flowmaster exhaust. You can see the bottom is super, super nice. It's got the original third member, the C8ZX tag. That's a nodular, a non-M nodular. Let's see what the date is. It's probably a 7M or can't really tell. Might be an 8D. It's probably an 8D because these cars were built later. So that's correct. It has the right pinion snubber. Original trans, cast iron tail shaft with aluminum body, PGA AF. And if you can see, it does have the R servo, that's Cobra Jet. Everything under the engine, all new suspension, everything's freshly greased. Concourse style power steering lines, new power steering unit. All your brakes have already been rebuilt. It's got the FOMO code dust shields on it. All that's original. It's got the correct auto light alternator from dead nuts on. Brand new upper and lower control arms. Both sides, all new brake hoses. There's the date on the block. 8D13, that's April. It's got the correct fuel pump. Everything's really nice and clean. All brand new. So like I said, the bottom's already done. That's a lot of work. The car was on a rotisserie. New gas tank. This video is to show you all the parts that come with the 68 GT500KR. Got the original door panels and brand new ones. Front nose trim, gravel guards, nose reinforcement bar, window trim, trap door, door seal plates, lower door deluxe trim, the original Lucas fog lights. They say England on them with the covers, NOS gas cap, NOS reverse lights. There's the headlight buckets. There's the original control arms, upper and lower, another lowers in a box, wipers, park light bezels, brand new bags of screws, owner's manual. There's some NOS door handles, pair of those, original emblems and new emblems, quarter reflectors, door handle assembly, NOS parts, new bumper bolts, exhaust gasket, that's an old one, original rear bumper, original rear valance, original grille. There's another piece of nose trim. There's your door armrests. There is your ram air seal. Some new weather stripping. New power steering control valve, or that's the original actually. That's the original. The new one's on it. Original taillight lenses. All of the seat belts, shoulder harnesses. The retractors are still on the roll bar. There's your harness, rear glass. There's your other control arm, PVC. All your rear interior trim, little pieces, little trim pieces, front bumper brackets, upper sail panel, kick panels, new carpet, heat shield, fuel pump, brand new front and rear bumpers, front bumper, rear bumper, headlight trim rings, NOS taillight trim. In the boxes for the part number. Don't see the part numbers on those. That's what they are. Miscellaneous things, headlights, mirrors, original park lights, headlight trim rings. A lot of these parts have already been replaced new. As you can see, the car comes with a lot of parts. Practically everything you would need to put it back together. A lot of goodies. All go with the car.